Myth number one is destroying local marketing budgets right now. AI search optimization is just about gaming the algorithm with keywords. Stuff a page with ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude and Gemini phrases, sprinkle magic terms, and wait for machines to crown you. That is 2012 SEO cosplay wearing a 2026 costume. It fails, loudly. If your plan is keyword density theatre, you will lose the shortlist, while competitors with cleaner entities, better proof and extractable answers get recommended. Buyers are pasting real problems into ChatGPT and Perplexity. Google AI overviews synthesize sources. Claude and Gemini summarize who to call. None of them reward stuffing. They reward confidence. I'm going to break the myth, show why keyword gaming backfires inside answer engines, reveal the 5 signals that actually win AI recommendations, give you a practical playbook that replaces stuffing with substance, and show how to measure whether machines can name you at all. First, why the keyword myth feels true and why it is still wrong. Reason number one is old SEO muscle memory. For years, ranking meant matching query language on pages and titles. People saw results improve when they used the words customers type, so they assumed ChatGPT and Google AI overviews work the same way. They do not. Generative engines do not rank 10 blue links the way classic Google did. They assemble an answer and pick entities they trust enough to mention. Reason number two is tool marketing noise. Half the internet sells AI SEO checklists that are just keyword lists with new logos. More mentions of Perplexity. More H2 tags that say best plumber near me. More exact match spam. That content looks busy and measures nothing that matters for answer inclusion. Reason number three is partial correlation. Sometimes a page that uses clear service language also ranks and gets cited. Owners credit the keywords. The real win was clarity, structure, reviews, and consistent business identity. The keywords were the label on the package, not the product inside. Reason number four is fear. When you cannot see the ranking factors, stuffing feels like control. It is not control. It is noise. Models trained to summarize and recommend punish thin, repetitive, manipulative text because it lowers answer quality. Keyword gaming optimizes for a crawler from a previous decade. AI search optimizes for whether a model can safely put your name in front of a human, with money. Second, why keyword stuffing fails inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot. Failure number one is low information density. A page that repeats AI SEO, AI search, and best local business 20 times still may not say hours, service area, proof, pricing bands, or who you help. Models need facts they can extract, not a cloud of synonyms. Failure number two is trust collapse. When on-page language screams manipulation, review themes, directories, and third-party mentions often do not match. Perplexity loves citations. Contradictions and spam patterns make you a risky citation. Failure number three is entity confusion. Stuffing keywords does not fix wrong IP data. Missing Google business profile categories, thin schema, or a homepage that is mostly stock photos. If the model cannot resolve who you are, it will not recommend you no matter how many times you type ChatGPT optimization. Failure number four is zero quotability. Answer engines prefer sentences they can paraphrase as reasons. We fixed hybrid transmissions same day in Austin with written estimates is usable. Unlock AI search dominance with cutting-edge keyword clusters is not. Failure number five is multi-engine blindness. Winning a classic keyword rank while being invisible in ChatGPT shortlists, Perplexity research answers, and Google AI overviews means you optimize the aisle. Customers are leaving. Third, 5 signals that actually win AI recommendations. Signal number one is entity clarity. One clean business name, categories, address or service area, phone, hours, and services that match across website, Google business profile, directories, and reviews. Clean identity beats clever keyword lists. Signal number two is answer-ready content. Plain language pages for real jobs, FAQs that mirror buyer prompts, and structured facts models can lift. Right for the question, a human pastes into ChatGPT, not for a density score. Signal number three is proof density. Specific reviews, case outcomes, photos, licenses, warranties, and neighborhood mentions. Models justify recommendations with evidence themes, not with how many times you said local SEO. Signal number four is citation worthiness. Consistent third-party profiles, local mentions, association listings, and pages other sources can corroborate. Perplexity and research-style answers reward things they can point to. Signal number 5 is operational freshness. Live hours, recent posts, answered reviews, current offers, and no abandoned ghost site vibes. Stale businesses look unsafe to recommend even if their keyword targeting is perfect on paper. Notice what is missing from that list. Stuffing, cloaking, doorway pages, and synonym spam. Those tactics attack ranking systems. AI recommendations are a trust and extractability problem. Fourth, the playbook that replaces keyword gaming with AI visible substance. Step number 1. Run the myth audit. Ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google with AI overviews, Gemini and Claude, the exact prompts your buyers use. Screenshot who gets named and why. If you are absent, do not start a keyword spreadsheet. Start a gap list. Entity, proof, pages, citations. Step number 2. Rebuild service pages as answer assets. One clear page per major job type. Who you help, what you do, where you operate, timeline expectations, proof, and FAQs. Use natural buyer language once, clearly not 50 times. Step number 3, fortify the entity spine. Fixed NAPI consistency, Google business profile completeness, categories, services, photos, posts, Q&A, and matching website schema. This is boring, it wins. Step number 4, engineer review and case language. Ask customers to mention the job, city, and outcome. Reply with the service restated. That language becomes the evidence models reuse when they explain a pick. Step number 5, earn citations instead of inventing keyword clusters. Clean directories, partnerships, local PR, manufacturer pages, and useful guides other sites reference. Perplexity cannot cite a stuffing paragraph that exists only to game density. Step number 6, measure inclusion monthly across engines, not only classic rankings. Track whether your name appears, which competitors own the shortlist, and which proof lines get repeated. If models never mention you, keyword volume is a vanity metric. Do not confuse writing clearly with gaming algorithms. Clear language helps humans and machines. Stuffing is the opposite of clarity. It is a tax on trust. If your agency still sells AI SEO as keyword packages for ChatGPT and Google AI overviews, you are buying nostalgia with a new label. The winners treat AI visibility as entity health, extractable answers, proof, and multi-engine presence. If you want Ninja to scan how visible your business is across AI answer engines, keyword myth gaps, entity contradictions, thin proof, and the citation holes that keep you out of ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude, and Gemini shortlists, go to tryninja.ai. Setup takes 2 minutes. The first scan is free. You will see where stuffing failed you and where substance can still win. Stop gaming algorithms that no longer care. Become the business AI can confidently name. Get the facts clean. Get the proof dense. Get into the shortlist for real.